Step into the world of precision manufacturing and get ready to be amazed. Today, we invite you to join us on an extraordinary journey as we unveil the powerhouse of precision, the FEELER FV800, a vertical machining center. Get ready to witness the cutting-edge technology that will revolutionize your machining processes and take your productivity to new heights. In this video, we're diving deep into the heart of precision engineering as we explore the remarkable FEELER FV800, a vertical machining center. We're excited to showcase the incredible features and capabilities of the FEELER FV800A VMC, a machine that has been carefully designed to unlock efficiency and productivity. One of the standout features of the FV800A is its spacious work table. With dimensions measuring 950 x 425 millimeters, this table provides ample room for accommodating a wide range of workpieces. Whether you're working on smaller components or larger parts, the generous table size ensures that you have the flexibility to tackle various projects. Versatility is a key aspect of any vertical machining center, and the FV800A delivers on this front. Its X, Y, and Z travel distances measure 800 millimeters, 500 millimeters, and 505 millimeters respectively. These impressive travel distances enable the machine to handle a diverse range of machining operations, from intricate precision work to larger-scale projects. The FV800A utilizes an ISO 40 spindle taper. The ISO 40 taper is a widely used standard in the industry, ensuring compatibility with a variety of cutting tools and enabling the machine to handle different machining requirements. Other features of this machine are his CNC system called FANUC 0M. The FANUC 0M provides precise control and advanced functionality, allowing operators to achieve accurate machining results. Also, the maximum spindle speed of 6,000 revolutions per minute and a tool magazine that can store up to 20 tools. And there you have it, the incredible FEELER Vertical Machining Center in all its glory. We've explored its key features, functions, and the many advantages it brings to your machining endeavors. Before we sign off, we want to express our deepest gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us today. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We have plenty more informative content coming your way. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.